We are starting 10 days of learning indices. Now to solve this question now, let me start from this principle that 6. When we have a raised power m times a raised power n equal to what? A raised power what? M plus n. Okay? The same thing, when we have a divided by a raised power n, this one will give us a raised power m minus 1. Okay, now this one, let me split this thing now. I can say this one to be what? 4 times 5 raised to power m plus 1. This one can give us, we can say 4 raised power what? 4 raised power minus m. Okay, this one will give us, we have 16 here now. I can say this one can give us 2 raised power 4 raised power 2 into m plus 1 times 5 raised power m. Okay, now here I can have something here. I can say 4 raised to power m plus 1. Okay, because this power common to both of it. 5 raised power m plus 1 divided by what? This one over this one will give us, we have this one will be 2m plus 2 divided by what? Times, sorry. Now look at this one. So according to this law, 4 they are the same thing. I can bring it together here. 4 raised power m minus what? This one can be minus m times 5 raised power m times 5 raised power 1 over the same thing. This one, I can take this one up, okay, because this one is division. This one, so this one can also give me 4 raised power minus 2m minus 2, okay, over what? 5 raised power m. Now this one cancel this one. Let me combine this one together as well. This one will give me 4 raised power m. This one is 1 plus 1 plus what? M. According to the law of unity, when we have similar base, the same base, this is the same base, that means we are going to add their power together. Minus 2m minus 2. Don't forget that we have 5 here, okay? This one is times 5. Okay, now m plus m, this one has gone. This one is what? 1 minus 2. This one will give you 4 square minus 1 times what? 5. That means, and note that, note a raised power minus 1 equal to what? 1 over a. So this one will now give us 5 over 4.